Welcome to Lesson 5. In this lesson, we will build inventory 4 ways. By importing a file, entering one new item manually, using a supplier catalog to add or update products, and receiving merchandise through a purchase order. Each method is useful in a different situation. A file import is best when you already have a prepared list of products. Manual entry is useful when you only need to create one item. A supplier catalog can add products and maintain matching inventory from supplier data. Purchase order, receiving records merchandise that has arrived and updates the inventory quantities already associated with the order. Let's begin on the inventory page. Open the Actions menu and select Import or Export. The Inventory, Import, and Export window opens without leaving the inventory page. Make sure Import is selected. Then choose the type of file you are loading. The available choices include Excel, CSV, tab-delimited text, JSON, and XML. Select the source file and choose Read File. The next step is column mapping. Match each column in your file to the correct diverse retail inventory field. Product code is required. When the file contains new products, department code and supplier code are also required. Map the description, cost, retail price, quantity on hand, and any other fields included in your source file. Review the preview before continuing. The preview displays the first 5 rows so you can confirm that product codes, descriptions, prices, quantities, departments, and suppliers are aligned correctly. If a column is wrong, correct the mapping before importing. When the preview is correct, select Import Inventory. Use the completed results to confirm how many rows were added, updated, skipped, or rejected. Review any errors before trying those rows again. File import is the fastest of these 4 methods when a clean inventory file is already available. Close the import window and return to the inventory page. Select New Item. The New Item window opens. Enter a unique product code and a clear product description. Select the correct department and supplier. Then enter the item's cost, retail price, and starting quantity on hand. Review the values and select Create. Diverse Retail creates the product and opens its full inventory details page. The new item is now available for any additional setup that may be needed later. Manual entry gives you direct control over the information for one product without preparing an import file. Now open supplier catalogs. We covered catalog setup in Lesson 4, so this is a quick review of the inventory action. Choose the supplier catalog you want to use, select the appropriate catalog scope, and run inventory analysis. The analysis compares the catalog with your current inventory so you can see new catalog products and existing matches. Open Update Inventory. Here you can choose the action that fits the job. Add can create products that are not yet in inventory. Update can maintain matching inventory from the catalog. The available processing choices let you work with additions only, existing items only, discontinued items only, or the broader add, update, and discontinue workflow. Review the pricing option and the products included in the update before processing. Supplier catalog updates are especially useful when the supplier already provides organized product data and you want to add or maintain many items together. Open purchase orders, then go to Sent POs. Select the purchase order containing the shipment that has arrived. In the Pending Arrival table, compare the delivered merchandise with the purchase order. Enter the received quantity for each delivered line. Enter the invoice quantity and any new cost when those values need to be recorded. Select the lines you are receiving. Choose Receive Items. The Receive Items window opens. Enter the supplier invoice number and packing slip when they are available. Then review the receipt one final time. Select Receive Items to post the delivery. The received quantities update quantity on hand, and the receipt records the applicable cost and inventory movement history. If only part of the order arrived, receive the delivered quantities now and leave the remaining quantities pending for a later shipment. Purchase order receiving handles merchandise already listed on the sent purchase order. It does not replace the item setup process. It records the physical inventory that arrived against those ordered products. You now know 4 focused ways to build and maintain inventory in diverse retail. Import a prepared file, manually enter one new item, use a supplier catalog to add or update products, and receive delivered merchandise through a purchase order. Choose the method that matches the source and volume of the inventory you are working with. Thank you for watching Lesson 5.